Good morning, children. How are you? We are learning addition, right? Today, we are going to learn adding two-digit numbers with regrouping. Yesterday, we learned adding two-digit simple addition, right? Without regrouping. But today, adding two-digit numbers with regrouping. Understand, children? Yes. How we see? Take one problem. Is 24 plus 59 is equal to how much? Yes, children. Yeah, this is the problem. First of all, we have to arrange into places. Ones place, tens place, like that. Yes, children. Yesterday we learned. See, like this, you have to take ones and tens. So here in 24, 4 ones and 2 tens. Right, children? So 4 under ones column, 2 under tens column. Here see, children. So these small boxes represent ones. These small boxes represent ones. So here how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes are there. Yes, children. So 4 boxes means 4 ones. So 4 under ones. Here see 2. Here 2 bars are there. Understand, children? 10 small boxes make 1 bar. Understand, children? 10 small boxes make a bar. Means this bar represent 10. Means 1 bar means 110. 2 bars means 2 tens. So here how many tens are there? 2 tens are there. That's why here we have taken 2 bars. Understand, children? Once again, this small box represent ones. Understand, children? This bar represent 10. Okay, na? Yes. And here see 9. 9 small boxes are there. 9 ones and 5 tens. Each bar 10, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like that. See, 24 plus 59. 24 plus 59. Understand, children? Yes. Now, so we have to add first to ones place, later tens place. Understand, children? So see, ones place. Under ones, 4, 9 are there, right? Yeah, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? Yes. 13. So here see, two-digit number came. Understand, children? So 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Two-digit number came. But should not write two-digit number directly. Understand, children? Because is there addition? We have to do what tens place. Is there still problem? So should not write. Understand, children? So remove from here. And these 13 right aside this way, right side. Okay, na children? Yeah. Here see 13 ones are there. What? 13 ones are there. Now only we have discussed what 10 small boxes make a bar. Understand, children? See, this is 1 bar, means 10 small boxes over. These 10 small boxes make this what? A bar, right? Remaining, how many boxes are there? 3 boxes are there. Understand, children? So in this 13, 1, 10 is there and 3 ones are there, right? Now you see ones place cut and write under ones. Let's see. From 13, cut ones place, cut 3 and write here. So now this 10 add to the tens column. Yes, here see. Understand, children? From 13, ones place 3 is there, 3 cut and write under ones column, and tens, how many tens are there? 110. That 10 add to the tens column. Understand, children? Now here we have to add along with this carrying number. This is what? Carrying number. Understand, children? So this also we have to count. So here 110, 1 bar, 110, 2 tens, 2 bars, 5 tens, 5 bars. Now count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, 8 tens. Understand, children? 8 tens means 80, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 8 tens means 80. 3 ones means 3. 83. Understand, children? This way we have to do additions with regrouping. Understand, children? Yes. Let us see one more problem. Yes, 36 plus 28 is equal to how much? Yes, first divide into places like this. Right? From 36, 6 under ones, 3 under tens, plus from 28, 8 under ones, 2 under tens. Now count 6 plus 8. How much? 14. Can we write? No, should not write. So remove. Write aside. Yeah, right here. From this 14, 4 ones are there, 1 tens are there. So ones place cut and write under ones. This 10 cut and add to the tens column as carrying number. Yes. So don't forget carrying number. Always start with carrying number. Understand? 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. Understand, children? So 6 tens. How many? 6 tens. 60. 4 ones means 4. So 64. Understand? Yes. One more problem. 58 plus 34 is equal to how much? Yes. Divided into places. From 58, 8 under ones, 5 under tens. From 34, 4 under ones, 3 under tens. So 8 plus 4. First of all, we have to count. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Should not write, right? So remove from here. right aside here. So 2 ones are there, 1 tens are there, ones place cut and right under ones to this 10 cut and add to the tens place as carrying number 1, and here 1 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 9. Understand, children? Yes. One more problem. 48 plus 32 is equal to how much? Yes, places. From 48, 8 under ones, 4 under tens. From 32, 2 under ones, 3 under tens. Right, children? Yes. 8 plus 2. How much? 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 2-digit number. So, should not write. Remove from here. Write somewhere. Right aside. So, ones place cut. Right under ones place. This 10 place cut. Add to the tens column as carrying number. Like this. So now 1 plus 4 plus 3. How much? 8. So 8 tens, 80. 0 ones, 0. So 80. Understand, children? Yes, ma. Thank you.